What am I going to talk about today? Because I write in my notes. Okay. I want to talk about women in heels. Women in heels. Women, if you gonna walk in some heels, at least act like you know how to walk in some damn heels. I'm tired of seeing women walking slow as hell in some heels. Cause you know why they walk slow as hell? Cause they don't know how to walk in them. Let me tell you something. It's a word that starts with a P, ends with an E. And when you do it, it makes perfect. You know it. You know it for sure. I just told you. Do it. Practice in them damn heels, okay? Then step out the house and go to work or go to parties and do everything that you want to do in them heels. You know, you look stupid. You look stupid. You walk like somebody dared you to walk on some glass barefooted. It doesn't look cute. Practice. You have a hallway in your house for a reason. I mean, some people probably don't. But find a way. Find a way. Instead of looking stupid. You look dumb. You do. Sorry.